Indoor airflow plays a major role in how comfortable a home feels throughout the day. When air moves naturally and consistently, rooms feel fresher, temperatures stay balanced, and indoor spaces become more enjoyable to use. For homeowners in Pasadena, double-hung windows provide a practical and effective way to control airflow without relying solely on mechanical systems. Their flexible design allows homeowners to adjust ventilation to match daily comfort needs. Understanding airflow control at home. Airflow control is about managing how fresh air enters the home and how stale air exits. Without proper ventilation, warm air can become trapped and indoor spaces may feel stuffy or uneven. In Pasadena homes, double-hung windows support airflow control by allowing homeowners to fine-tune how much air moves in and out of each room. 2 sashes for better ventilation. Double-hung windows feature 2 operable sashes, one at the top and one at the bottom. This design offers more ventilation options than windows that only open one way. Opening the bottom sash allows cool, fresh air to enter at a comfortable level. Opening the top sash allows warm air to escape from higher in the room. Pasadena homeowners can use this combination to create steady, balanced airflow. Releasing warm air naturally rises and can collect near ceilings, making rooms feel warmer than necessary. Double-hung windows make it easy to release this built-up heat. By opening the top sash, Pasadena homeowners can allow warm air to escape without creating drafts near seating or living areas. This helps maintain a more even temperature throughout the room. Supporting cross-ventilation. Airflow improves when air can move across a space rather than in one direction only. Double-hung windows support cross-ventilation when paired with other windows in the home. In Pasadena homes, opening double-hung windows on opposite sides of the house encourages fresh air to flow through living spaces, replacing stale air and improving overall comfort. Improving comfort in high-use rooms. Living rooms, bedrooms, and shared spaces benefit most from good airflow. These rooms are often occupied for long periods, making ventilation especially important. Pasadena homeowners appreciate being able to adjust double-hung windows easily throughout the day. Whether opening the top sash slightly or increasing airflow by opening both sashes, comfort can be managed without effort. Reducing indoor stagnation. Stagnant air can make a home feel heavy and uncomfortable. Odors may linger, and rooms may feel less inviting. Double-hung windows help prevent stagnation by encouraging regular air movement. Even brief ventilation sessions can significantly improve how fresh indoor spaces feel in Pasadena homes. Easy operation encourages daily use. Double-hung windows are simple to open and close, making them convenient for everyday use. This ease of operation encourages homeowners to use them more often for ventilation. In Pasadena homes, regular window use helps maintain healthy airflow patterns and improves overall comfort. Maintaining comfort when windows are closed. When outdoor conditions aren't ideal for open windows, double-hung windows seal tightly to maintain indoor comfort. A proper seal helps block unwanted air movement and supports stable indoor temperatures. Pasadena homeowners benefit from windows that perform well whether open or closed. A flexible solution for airflow control. Double-hung windows offer a balanced approach to ventilation and comfort. Their dual sash design allows homeowners to manage airflow naturally while maintaining control over indoor conditions. For homeowners in Pasadena, double-hung windows provide a reliable and adaptable way to control indoor airflow, creating living spaces that feel fresher, more comfortable, and easier to enjoy every day.